guys, how are you? I see what you're looking at. You want to look at me, go back and check out that sway bar. That's right, anti-sway bar in the front. It's day number 2 of the CPP Super Chevy Week to Wicked 55 build. And that is a new front sway bar. It gives your front tires a lot more clearance. We've got the CPP frame. It's all set up. The guys have been busy last night. Got the totally tubular upper and lower control arms on. They're hooked up to the anti-sway bar, and they got the big brake kit on. 6 piston calipers, not a monoblock, and 14-inch rotors all the way around. Huge brakes. Stainless steel brake lines. Got the other lines run in. Fuel lines are getting put in later on this afternoon. See those going in. Rear end is in. We'll get the engine transmission, so we get in for a drive line, a drive shaft, and this CPP 29-gallon tank. You can get them in their catalog, and this is a one of one. It's been black powder coated, and from what I've heard, they're going to offer it to you, the general public, if you'd like. Pretty good stuff. Got the sending unit, got everything, got the fuel pump in, got the sending unit in. It is a good looking setup. And going back to the front, we're going to put the heart and soul. We saw it from Gandridge Chevrolet, the Chevrolet LT1. Direct injected, 455 horsepower, got a Boulder T56 6-speed manual, so it's going to be a 3-pedal car. All that's coming up later on today, but for right now, head on over to classicperform.com and use the code W2W55 for 10% off. Everything all week long. CPP, Week to Wicked, baby. Wait, seriously? Guys, sorry about that. Jeff Bissett here. We're at the end of day 2 on the CPP 55 Chevy Week to Wicked build, and I'm just checking out the painless performance wiring harness instruction manual and filled with information. Aaron from OC Hot Rods has been kind enough to install this painless performance wiring harness going in here. We've got the rain gear system, the wiper system underneath the dash. Dakota Digital RTX gauge is going to go right in here, and underneath the carpet, the beautiful TMI carpet, is going to be this hush mat. Keeps the interior cool, keeps it quiet and vibration free. That's the interior of the car. Lots done today, but this is more important. Remember our friends over at Gandridge Chevrolet hooked us up with the Performance Parts LT1 engine? Well, it's in the frame rails. Lo and behold, direct injected LT1, Tremec T56 massaged by Boulder transmissions. They worked their magic on it. 6 speeds, 3 pedals, 455 horsepower, and I know you're going to get at least 20 miles per gallon. It's going to be fantastic. And this week only, call them up, go to classicperform.com or give them a call. Use the code W2W55 and you'll get 10% off. That's right, 10% off, but it's this week only. Why? It's the Week to Wicked, baby. See you guys tomorrow. I'm Jeff Bissett out of here. We'll see you on day 3. Adios, amigos.